How long should you last in bed to satisfy your partner? Premature ejaculation is one of the most common and less talked male sexual problems in our country and probably across the globe. In fact, a study observed that Asian men have shorter times to ejaculation than Caucasians, who in turn have shorter times to ejaculation than Afro-Caribbeans. This shows that some races are more sexually restrained than others. A man's ejaculation is a complex phenomenon. It is a reflex action which engages a network of sensory receptors, afferent pathways, cerebral sensory areas, cerebral motor centers, spinal motor centers and efferent pathways of the nervous system. There are three basic mechanisms involved in normal ejaculation: emission, ejection, and orgasm. Here are few facts about male ejaculation that you should know. Premature ejaculation, on the other hand, is to ejaculate before one is ready to do so, and it is an involuntary action over which a man has no control. In other words, when he ejaculates and still feels unsatisfactory, this could indicate that he is suffering from premature ejaculation. However, there is a parameter that could indicate if it is premature ejaculation or just a one-time lopsided performance in bed: intravaginal ejaculatory latency time, ELT. Here are few tips to help you last longer in bed. How does intravaginal ejaculatory latency time decide if a man is suffering from premature ejaculation? If you remain unsatisfied every time after you have an intercourse, even after ejaculating, PD might have hit you. But to be sure if it is premature ejaculation, it is necessary to measure the ELT. This is the time measured from the point one enters the womb till he ejaculates. Now, the ejaculatory latency time can vary in different men, but still, there is a certain time frame as suggested by researchers that can say if a man suffers from premature ejaculation or not. If, for instance, the average duration of intercourse ranges from 4 to 7 minutes, then an ejaculation before 4 minutes after a man enters the woman is considered a premature ejaculation. A conclusion of various studies done at the different point of time suggests that men who ejaculate within 2 minutes of penetration can be considered to suffer from premature ejaculation, and those who face it within a minute should be regarded as severe premature ejaculation.